I am very much pleased to say that the Ministry of Works and Transport, we are currently implementing a new driver's permit system. It's a client-server based system. By that I mean, this system can now be accessed by all 8 licensing sites throughout the entire island, also inclusive of Tobago. This system will more or less allow the customer to access easy service at any site. It will also provide additional security. By that I mean user access, audit trails, whereby every single activity within this system will now be tracked. Timestamp, username, action taken can now be easily audited, and this in itself, we know, will lend tremendous benefit to the licensing division.
If you renew your permit in Point Fortin and you come to Port of Spain and you lost that permit, you would be able to go into any licensing office and get your permit, a duplicate of your permit right away.
That's right, Wayne. And again, the reason why we can now access this driver's permit from any site is because we are now on a secure network with a centralized database, therefore making the data for this system accessible at all sites. Think about it, Wayne. Do you know the tremendous benefits this will now bring to the customer? You as Transport Commissioner could simply identify some of the benefits.
Yeah, well, I remember that people used to come and dig through big books to find the permit. This new permit had many features, including this barcode. Clyde, tell us about this.
Well, Wayne, this barcode basically is more or less seeking to position the ministry for future technology. By that I mean, very soon the ministry will be bringing to the public the red light system. We'll also be implementing what we call the merit points, fixed penalty, and this will provide the opportunity whereby an enforcement officer can simply scan your driver's permit, and this will then link to that centralized database I was referring to earlier on, and this will also more or less provide additional information on you. So therefore, Wayne, if you are close to 14 points, an officer will see that on the road.
Now, this driver's permit will bring about a lot of convenience to the public. Faster processing time, which means that you could be in the office and out quickly. The other thing about it is that soon other initiatives would mean that you could renew your permit maybe at a mall. The transport division is even moving further because we have moved to this new driver's permit. The next step would be the renewal of your taxi badge. And your renewal of your taxi badge will be linked to the permit, and therefore you could go to any licensing office, renew your taxi badge as easy as you renew your driver's permit.
Well, Wayne, it is very important that we mention that the new driver's permit has on the face of the permit a unique customized hologram. By that I mean this is unique to Trinidad and Tobago. By so doing, when you tilt the driver's permit at any angle, you will see a number of features on this permit. I just need to point out that some of those features are visible by the eye, and some of those features, more or less, you will have to use third-party device to identify some of those features. I must say also that drivers permit holders will also soon have the opportunity whereby they can commence the renewal process of this permit online. By so doing, they will have the opportunity to upload their unique photograph in accordance with standards by the licensing division. They will also be able to change basic biodata in preparation for the renewal process, either again at a mall, at TT Connect Center, or at the licensing office.
Well, this is about modernization and computerization of licensing services. A more efficient licensing service with less time. And you could look forward to many other things being rolled out by licensing soon. You know what it's talking about, Clyde?
Enhanced security.
Improve accessibility and greater convenience.